The apartment itself is located on the 4th floor. It's very cozy here, it's quite cool inside. It's well kept, tidy, and you have some benches and some real trees growing just inside the building. So that's quite cool. Okay, so here's the room, the apartment, sorry. There is a whole plenty of space to store stuff if you have something. Some wardrobes are closed as the owner is actually a Russian ballerina who is all the year performing in Bolshoi theater, and so she stores part of her things here. But the flat is very cozy. This is the bathroom. It's really very cozy. You can feel the vibe of really someone who lived there. Look at those funny pictures. I would say it's very righteous. You can feel a very diligent ballerina living here. You have a bath tube, shower, towels, plenty of them, like a lot of them. Some cleaning stuff here. Hello. So yeah, the fan for drying the hair. So actually you do have everything that you need. Yeah. Oh, I guess it's a ballerina with a character. So let's continue. And there is a very pleasant smell in the room. Gingerbread, yeah. So that's the main area. You have basically one room, but it's kind of divided by a small wall. So one part is a tiny bedroom, and the second part is a living room, which are kind of connected. You have a huge dining table, and you have a gorgeous view here. Just look at that. This is magnificent. This is very beautiful. Look, you have the view on the entire park. The tower, some nature. This is very beautiful. Table, television, sofa, some beautiful flowers, paintings, decorations, cushions, more decorations, some books, storage area, and then we proceed to the kitchen area, which is tiny but very cozy. You have a fridge, you have freezer. For some reason it's packed with stuff, but okay. You have an oven, all the cooking facilities, actually everything that you may even require. All the plates, cupboard, in the cupboard, mugs, saucers, like everything. Also some spices. No, it's put on here. No. Here, a variety of tea prepared for you. Yeah, dishwasher, and that's pretty much of it. And let's take a quick look at the bedroom. You have a tiny table here, again with tiny little ballerina notes. Then you have a bed. It's kind of big, it's kind of high, but it's little. I guess it's for 2 people, but it's really little. It is like very, very little. I guess regarding the sizes of the bodies of typical ballerinas, it should be very little. Yeah, that's it. Hello. So that's it. And that's the bed from the other side. You see you have again the beautiful decorations here. It's very cozy, like it feels like someone really cares about that place. Okay, so this is the area where the apartment is located. It is called the Donau city. It is kind of a fusion of a city district where people live, and also there is a bunch of office buildings of different corporations. For example, there is also Vienna International Center, famous for conferences and scientific gatherings. It's very modern, it's very cool. You have all the infrastructure. You have 2 coffee shops, 2 grocery shops, BIPA, which is a drugstore, and stuff like that. So it's very convenient here. The area is a fusion of very modern architecture, but there is also a huge park located just nearby, so it is a perfect fusion of nature and civilization. Yeah. There is a bunch of skyscrapers. One of them has a beautiful restaurant with a view from the, I don't know, 30th. I'm not sure, but you can check it out. Oh, it's quite windy today, sorry for this. The apartment itself is located in a building that's on the periphery of the entire district. It's very convenient and beautiful because it's the calmest part of the whole area, and it also has a marvelous view opening. Like the view is just gorgeous. You can see mountains, you can see park, tower, part of the city, river. It's just beautiful. So that's how you would walk to the apartment if you were traveling. So it's pretty straightforward. The only thing is, when you travel by taxi, then you will be dropped off downstairs. But what do I mean? I mean that there is a complicated, convoluted structure, like stages, and all the cars that arrive to this district, they like come to the underground area, to the tunnels. There is a bunch of them, and you will be dropped off there. And then what you need to do is find an elevator. It's quite tricky. I was lost for a couple of moments, but once I found the elevator, it was easy, because once you're up in the living area, then you can easily use Google Maps and find your way. The apartment is located just near the Bila shop, and a small tower. I don't know what it is. It has some storage, like it has a restaurant and some other places. I'm not sure what they are meant for, but it's just fun to have a tower just opposite your building. This is the Bila shop, and and this is the place. This is also a cafe here. Bila shop is opened all the days except Sunday. Yeah, as normal. The entrance. The owner of the AIRBNB is very friendly, and she will definitely help you if you have any troubles finding the place. She was super helpful with me. She met me downstairs, and she was very, very nice.